Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy World with Daisy. Make sure to smash that like button and give me a like. I have hiccups. And today, guys, I have this Elmer's school glue kit. And it comes with this. It comes with two bottles of this, which is my sister's one. Two of these, one for my sister and one for me. Four of these, green, red, gold and blue. And yeah, that's all it comes with. And utensils mixed with and containers. Like, guys, the TV's just on. So today, guys, I went to school and my little sister first time came to school. So let's get started. She's just watching Game Master Rebecca Smolla. Okay. And it's a creator. This is my first time watching Elmer's Glue. It's so cool. I'm just putting a little bit in. Why didn't it come up? Okay then. So, guys, this is like so fun.
Oh my gosh, it has been a minute. Sis, how long has it been, sweetie? I miss these videos.
Mommy, can you turn it down a bit, please?
These were one of my favorite videos.
Really loud.
I haven't done one in a while, but today we are back with some good.
I love Karina Garcia.
Oh my gosh, why do I always scream? Why can't I just?
So I've just put some red
Red
glitter glue in, and yeah, gonna mix it. This is my. Oh yeah, I've already said that. Anyway, it's my first time using this glue.
Yeah, prom season is on topic, so I thought it'd be a great time to do this video. This video is also an ad for Using Consequences on YouTube Red. My girl,
So I'm just mixing it.
recently came out with her new show, Using Consequences.
Yeah,
And I'm
mix,
sure all of you
mix,
guys
mix,
have been
mix,
binge
mix,
watching
mix,
because it is absolutely
mix.
amazing. Although at first Anna's character may come off as a mean girl, this show is actually all about women empowerment. The characters are
Okay,
smart,
I'm just
powerful
mixing it
women
up,
who are not afraid
guys.
to tackle social issues in an authentic and accessible way. What makes this show even more amazing is that Using Consequences is partnering with the Princess Project, which is an organization
Elmer's
dedicated to helping
activator.
underprivileged teens and their families find home aware in a positive and safe environment. The Princess Project embraces and celebrates all races, all ethnicities, genders,
Guys, just
sexual
gonna mix
orientation, disabilities, and bodies
this.
across in society. You guys, this isn't just about giving clothes. This is about
It's
giving pride and
activating.
confidence to thousands of teens
Oh my
to
gosh.
help with these special
Wonder what
moments in
this
their
is gonna
life,
feel
like
like.
prom. I
It
encourage
activates
every single
so
one of you
quick.
guys that has been to prom to
Wow,
donate your prom
that's
dress to the
amazing.
Princess Project. Even if you haven't been to prom but you have a nice dress that you know you're not gonna wear, but you can donate to a great cause. I encourage all of you watching to donate and
In
make
my
sure you
room.
guys sign up for our
Poppy has loads in her
all
room.
episodes are brand new to our YouTube feed, and the first two episodes are free. I'm just gonna leave the first episode down below so you guys can go check it out and watch it. This is such an amazing cause. I said it twice and I'll say it again. I encourage any of you guys that can donate to
Guys,
donate
I'm
to the
just mixing
Princess
it. My
Project
mom's
and
gonna
finish
come
using
make
dress
it with
to go to
me,
prom. Comment
hopefully.
down below. Did you go to prom?
I
Are you
think.
planning on going to prom? Such a fun time, but it's like also so draining. But it's so worth it. Y'all, if you guys have the chance to go to prom, do it. Trust me. It's an exciting time of year. It is
Ooh, this is
prom
so
season,
nice.
and I know this giving you like extra prom-ish vibe for y'all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below how your prom was. Are you excited for prom? Are you going to prom? And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on to this video.
Can I use this one?
First of all,
Yeah, tip the slime.
No, I want to
No,
try
the
the
slime's
Elmer's.
bad.
Okay.
The slime's gone, thin. Like, because, it's gone wet. Guys, comment down below how to make good slime.
Because when you first find lashes, they're a little bit stiff. So you can take a
Like,
pencil
we
and
can't,
scrape your lashes
we
on it
can,
without hitting it to
but,
really get that curve and break them in. Whenever you're done with your lashes, you want to make sure that you
are you
take
trying to
something
make
to
that slime
your
nice?
eyes. I
Yep.
always cut out pieces of eyelash
Nice.
at the end because no matter how big your eyes are, usually the eyelash is going to be bigger than
Oh
the
my
tip.
gosh.
Now I've
And then after you
overactivated
move
it, I
on to
think.
some of the edges and make them more flattering looks and not just spidery
Wow.
looks. Not only that, but if you don't cut them, they're usually really
Is
uncomfortable
it
for your
wet?
eyes.
No,
When
not a
applying
bit,
glue to my
but it's
lashes, I
sticky.
also make sure to put more on the edges so that I have more lifting going on.
You need to
Once
get
my
this
lashes
glue,
are on
Mummy,
and they're
more
super
often.
tight, I actually go in
But the
and
glue's
use the
expensive
wide
to ship to
lashes
this
with the
country.
big ones and
Yeah,
just
and it's
press on
expensive in
it,
this
and
country.
it keeps everything in place.
That's what I said.
I promise you my lashes
Like,
never lift. I
if
don't
we
know if this is
found
because
it
I've
in
been using it
this
for
country.
years or if it's these steps, but after I set
Karina
it in,
Garcia
they
makes
go
the best
nowhere.
slime.
Ever met.
If I
Best.
told you that I use the
Best
exact
slime.
Mummy,
for these two
look.
looks, would you believe this?
Guys,
Wow.
this is the
Brush up
best.
the lips by adding 1 or 2 steps to my lip routine.
Add
Let
some
me show you
ingredients
how
to
it
them.
looks when I apply lipstick and just the lipstick
Mine's just a hot mess.
they're not really symmetrical. My bottom one is much
It's
bigger
quite
than my
stretchy
top one.
though.
I wish my top
Oh,
one was
no, it's not a
fuller.
bricks.
So that's how it looks with lipstick.
bin and start again?
No, I'm going to crack this one. Somehow.
Mummy.
I might just start again, actually.
Is it wet?
Yeah, very well.
Go put it in the bin.
I will in a minute. It'll
Can
stay
you
there,
like
won't
pour
it?
some activator in, please?
In one?
Yeah.
Isn't that activated enough?
No, not really.
It needs to be in like a squirty thing.
Oh, that's better, much better.
What activator do you use, guys?
Yeah, comment down below what activator do you use. Borax, Tide.
Oh, what's the other one called? Sabloism? In that big
Oh yeah,
bottle.
Sablo. It's,
Oh, Alma's Magic Glue.
yeah.
This glue is not open. No, not Magic Glue. Magic Solution.
Oh my gosh.
Does it say Magic Glue or? No, it's Magic Liquid.
Magic liquid.
I've never seen that on the before. I'm just going to make a little
And Mummy,
bit.
do you know the massive bottles of them?
Yeah.
I know where it is, in Hobbycraft.
Of what? Is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Definitely.
Huh?
Definitely.
We should get it.
We will.
Does it activate that side?
That's what I'm going to try. I need some...
It's in there. You need to search for blue stuff.
Glue?
Oh, glitter glue.
Yeah.
Oh Mummy, there's, look. Actual glitter glue there.
Yeah, I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to use some of this glitter glue.
Can't get enough one. Ah.
And some
Pink.
pink and silver. Pink glitter.
Pink and silver go really nice together.
And pink and blue. I love pink and
Oh,
blue.
I love pink and pink and black. No.
Pink, yeah, pink and black were nice, but not like mixed together. They just
No.
go nice next to each other.
Yeah, next to each other.
Do you need to use a lot of this one or a little bit? Oops, probably too much. Can I use this?
Yeah, you use it. I don't need that. I just use my hands.
You can just hear Karina in the background.
Yeah, my mum loves Karina and Poppy does. I do. Sometimes.
I love
I do like
She
it.
is so funny.
Comment down below if you like it. Who's your favourite YouTuber? Mine's in the comment down below me.
Ah, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Or Poppy or Poppy Day. You should have a channel.
Me?
Yeah.
One day.
Like doing slime with mum.
Doing slime with mum. Okay, I don't think it works in this glue.
No, it won't. Jordan will get my the borax in my room. It's in my room, okay?
Is it already made?
Already made and everything. In my room.
Oh, no, wait.
What?
It's coming.
Let's see.
Not much, but...
Maybe you should go get it. I don't think it's gonna work.
Is it already made?
Yeah, it's on my white shelf. It's in the thing with a blue thing mixing it. And a thing and a blue thing mixing it. Guys, comment down below. Like if you had a good day, first day in school. Maybe your first day in school Tuesday because my sister's is. Mine was today. See, there's two in there, two blue sticks. Well, you're going to overactivate your slime. Is it overactivated?
No, not yet. Whoa.
What?
Yeah, how did that work straight away?
Uh-oh, Danny.
This is not the colour I was expecting. It didn't overactivate anyway. Does that look like yours? Is it better than the other glue?
What other glue?
Any other glue we use?
Yeah, much better. It's much softer slime. Like so soft slime.
Is it wet?
Wait 1 second, let me mix it in because it feels wet. It feels wet now because it feels like glue. Poppy's just watching Life Hacks Karina Garcia. So, what to see in the background? Poppy, push
What you can hear in the background,
yeah.
is it? You can't see it, they're facing you.
No. Mummy, the North Nut Snapchats always talk about weird stuff. About Saber, don't they?
Say it again.
They always talk about weird stuff about Saber.
Who now?
Saber,
Yeah.
the oldest. Do you know what?
Like it's embarrassing stuff.
Yeah. Did you
Again,
say
we love the Norris Nuts.
I've subscribed to them? Norris Nuts, if you're watching this, I love you. I'm a legend because I've subscribed.
Yeah.
I'm a legend.
Hashtag legend.
Catch me knuckles, yeah.
For the legend.
Catch me knuckles. We should send this to the Norris Nuts. They said, anything that like you like say about me, send it. Let me feel it.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it really soft?
Yeah.
Literally.
It is soft.
It feels like.
Mine's just a
Just
mess.
squish it down.
Oh my gosh, it's not even wet.
It's not even wet. It's the best.
Alma's glossy. The best for making slime.
I fancied making slime so bad today. You know this is a pet
And
peeve.
Sisters Forever. I love Sisters Forever.
Yeah, but Emily,
She got her own channel as well, or is it just Ali?
Who's Ali?
Ali Sutton. Oh, she's not on that one.
Oh, there's activated in here. Well, like the magical liquid. Guys, comment down below if you had a good day in school today and who's your best friend. School. I love this one. It looks like an octopus. Doesn't it? Mommy, look at that.
Oh, wow. Mine doesn't do that. Oh no, this other one is just going everywhere.
Put it in that container. Oh no, don't. Put it. Do you want to quickly go put that in the bin? Oh no. Watch this. Ready?
Mine's like butter slime.
Watch.
Oh no, look at the table, it's got all glitter all over it.
Guys, now I'm going to add stuff of mine that I got for Christmas. Like, I'm going to put some gold leaves in here.
That'd be cool.
Oh, that'd be cool. I had this for this Christmas. And I had loads more. I love this. Thank you, Mimi. And I have this crushed stuff in there as well.
Yeah.
Did you see it? I have loads of colours.
I thought it, of course I've seen it.
What are you doing? That's not how you cook.
No, I know, but
I want to actually see how it looks like. Uh-oh.
the glue's all stuck to my table. I'll be eating breakfast in the morning, covered in glitter. Whoa.
Look how delicate.
How'd you poke them?
Guys, look at that. Mommy, look. So delicate. Get the camera and show them properly. Please. Can they see?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that. Do you want to have some in yours?
No.
When you push it, look at that. This looks like a rich slime.
Expensive slime.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Mommy, what type of slime do you like?
I like my slime.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Coffee, I have gold leaves in mine. Guys, I'm going to make another one. My sister's ill, guys. My big sister. Mommy, can you pass me my container since this is all the way over there, please?
Yeah, let's make sure the camera could see you.
It's quite sticky, but it's not actually sticky.
Mine's not sticky.
No, yours. Let me feel yours. Is it wet? No, it's not wet. Nice.
Oh, yours is sticky.
Mine. Oh, that's no left. Oh, mine's 66.
Oh no, it's just because I got other glue on my hands that I've now added to yours.
Oh, it's activating.
Oh, that's not good.
That was awkward. There you go. Oh.
Just checking the camera's on.
Just gonna use my finger, I guess.
White. White. You need to add more. More gas. Yeah. Oh, you need to add something. I don't know what you need to add.
Pretty.
More activate, the Poppy said.
No, I don't. Don't.
A little bit.
I wouldn't.
Drip, 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 drip.
Can I see it? Add some in here. I want to see what it makes it feel like. See if it actually activates. Now, this is a test. If borax activates Elmer's glue.
Dun dun dun.
Guys, my mum used to love Sis Mrs. Bro.
I still love Sis
Yeah,
Mrs.
still does. She loves Karina.
Karina Garcia.
Have you ever watched Lucas and Marcus?
Are they the Carter ones?
No,
I like
they're twins.
Sha-la-la.
She likes
I like the Cher family.
The Cher family.
I just love you two all together.
They're going to say you two.
I love you two as well. You three.
You three. It's actually activated much better with the borax.
It does.
Look at that.
I know. It's much nicer.
Well, that's what that room's kind of.
This is too watery. I thought that would be amazing, but it's not. It's too watery.
But the big bottle's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, maybe you should shut it.
It's been shaken when I walked it through, yeah.
Oh. Can you put some more noodles? I want to see what it does, really. Stop. Guys, go check out my friend's channel, Miss Shadow Dog.
And your sister's channel,
And my
Candy
sister's
Pop.
channel, Candy Pop, and
Pop
Alex
versus Days.
Pop versus Days. We've only done 2 on there. Well, 1.
Yeah, we're having technical issues uploading them.
We need to do like another one.
Yeah, we
Pop
do.
versus Days. What other challenge could we do? Have you got one in plan for like tomorrow? No, not tomorrow.
We
Maybe.
think of one.
Maybe we should do the donut challenge. We can get 2 donuts.
Bob, everybody's sick at the moment.
Oh
though.
yeah, never mind.
My slime feels amazing.
You need to change colour.
It's like so stretchy. Oh, that's not stretchy.
Oh,
It's snapping.
guys, mine's so stretchy. Mommy, look. Mine's so stretchy.
Yeah, fail.
Why does it take a little glitter? Pretty glitter. That's nice glitter. Oh, it's not glitter.
Yeah, but it's all
Why is
over
it brown?
the table.
I know, it's not gonna like.
Come off because it's glitter glue.
Oh.
I'll peel it off. It'll come off. It's all over my hands as well.
Guys, what do we get called the name of this?
Elmer's Daisy, Crazy
No,
Daisy, tries
Elmer's.
Elmer's glue.
No, Elmer's trying Elmer's glue for the first time with Mum and Daisy.
Or Elmer's slime, Elmer's liquid versus borax.
Yeah.
And borax wins.
So guys, this is borax.
Sorry, Elmer's. We love your glue though.
This is borax. And this is Elmer's. Comment down below which one's your favourite. Guys, I haven't finished the clear one. This one's more jigglier and store-boughter because it feels more squishier. Like, it's weird. Feels really store-bought. Feel it?
I'm too busy playing with my octopus. Oh yeah.
Does it feel like
More, yeah, squishy, yeah?
it's squishy?
Ooh.
And then that feels really like Elmer's glue.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I like that one. I don't think you should add colour to it because then it'll stay clear, won't it?
Yeah.
That one's amazing.
I want to add this.
Mine just goes to gunk in my hands.
I'm gonna add some gold leaf.
Okay. She's just trying to find her slime. What are you doing?
Gold leaf.
Gold leaf.
It's a weird name. Gold leaf. It's just gold leaf.
I'm gonna pay each one separate. You got each one every tip, okay?
Okay guys, so my aunt just paid for
This one
my
empty.
items, and I really
You just
couldn't
use that one of
Yeah, I
you.
just used that
my
one.
items in total were $956. So
You finished with the camera now?
No. Gold leaf.
We know that, Katie. We know that.
And slime. Mommy, poke it. You push it down.
I love my husband. Okay.
Wow, that feels amazing.
See you guys later.
It go like that and go.
That feels lush.
How much you spent? And also whoever spends the rest. So go, Emily.
my total was $9.
Very cool.
My total was $11.06. My total was
Okay.
$14.48.
So I won that challenge.
So that is the first challenge. I got 7 and I got her.
So, guys, the Borax won,
In your opinion?
in my opinion. But comment down below which one. Bye, guys.